Given na ito yung complete product namin for 2 years na dinevelop from scratch. So I think since I have 7 graduating players, parang ito na siguro yung parang na-expect namin na at least meron tayong na-produce for 2 years from zero.
Ako si Manfred Jesse Rosere from Boys Volleyball Team.
And ako si Marcos Ethan Bamba of the Boys Volleyball Team.
I'm Coach Hans Chuakuko, former UP Volleyball Men's Team, varsity, bronze and silver medalist in the UAAP.
Well, yung team namin, for me, and nakikita ko and nararamdaman ko, very close kami. Kahit sa lahat ng bagay. For example, kakain kami sa labas, palagi kami magkakasama. Pag magte-training kami, kadalasan masaya. And syempre, pag pupunta kami ng games, pauwi ng games, masaya kami. And palagi kaming close and trusted namin ng isa't isa sa lahat ng bagay. Hindi lang sa volleyball, pati na rin sa outside the court.
Actually, isa yan sa winner-out namin this year. Paano sila mas magiging cohesive, paano nila maiintindihan yung individual differences ng bawat isa. So we went through like sessions kung ano yung mga sort of challenges ng bawat players for them to understand kung bakit may certain mannerisms or attitude yung mga players, maintindihan nila where it's coming from. And from there, doon namin siya tinatrabaho.
So yung trust ng team namin, I'd say hindi siya madaling nabuo kasi 3 years na kami magkakasama since mag-start na mag-rebuild yung team. So marami na kami napagsamahan from training and yung games namin. So I'd say it took some time pero ngayon sobrang solid naman yung samahan namin and yung tiwala namin sa isa't isa.
Challenges nung team as a whole. For one, mahirap kasi talaga here sa UBIS since I think hindi naman talaga tayo financially sustained na school when it comes to the varsity teams. So, parang I never made them feel na they lack. So, as much as what I can do for them, ako na yung nagpa-provide ng needs nila, urgent needs nila, and those things. If there's just one word for me, parang yun lagi ko sinasabi sa boys ko, to be grateful sa kahit anong bagay na meron kami and wala kami.
Siguro yung pinakamalaking hamon namin ngayon is yung sa UAP kasi compared sa ibang teams, hindi kami ganun katangkad. Pero, skill-wise nakakasabay kami. So siguro yung ginagawa namin para to make up for yung pagkukulang namin na yun is double effort, double hustle, tsaka trabaho talaga sa training para mahabol namin and ma-exceed pa namin yung skill na kailangan namin to make up for yung lack namin of height.
Payo ko lang sa mga junior ko is to be consistent. Lagi kayong mag-show up sa training kahit na anong mangyari. Kung may iniinda kayo, tinatamad kayo, basta laging show up lang kahit yun yung feel mag-training. And then, nag-start talaga lahat sa attitude. So, kung papasok kayo ng training na ayaw nyo na punta or parang ayaw nyo ito gawin, mag-manifest talaga siya sa skills nyo at sa ilalaro nyo. So, yun lang, be consistent and have a positive attitude palagi. Towards your teammates and your coaches.
Sa graduating players ko, syempre sobrang proud ako sa kanila na hindi namin ina-expect na from zero makaka-develop kami, which is unlikely for homegrown students kasi usually alam naman natin they're more academic-centered students. But then, to see them play, to see them excel, sobrang nakaka-proud yun for us coaches na makakita kami na, for grassroots to compete competitively, especially sa high-level UAAP competition.
Parang makamit sa sarili, siguro mag-improve pa po ako and then yung sa mga kakampi ko. And manalo o matalo, tanggapin po natin yung ano po yun ng Diyos, biyaya po yun ng Diyos kung manalo o matalo. Para ma-build po yun, ginagawa po namin is mag-isip lang ng positive tapos sariling training, self-examination po.
Goal namin this season is lumaban at huwag matakot makipaglaban kahit underdog kami sa mga kalaban.
parang blessed na rin kami in a way because meron kaming dalawang bagong baas na grade 8 na medyo exceptional yung skill when it comes to, when it comes to their grade level, exceptional na yung skill level nila. So medyo nagsistep up yung team ngayon when it comes to skills aspect, and the same time yung cohesiveness nila si team na meron kaming bagong baas, the same time yung mga homegrown, mas nagkakaroon na sila ng better understanding of how it is to be a varsity player and a student here sa UPIS.
For this season, goal talaga namin, manalo. Pakita namin sa buong mundo na kaya namin.
Siguro ang goal namin since na last season na namin to, gusto namin pakita na may ibubuga pa yung boys volleyball. Hindi lang kami panglaban, and gusto namin manalo pa.
So mga manonood, yes, first of course, sobrang grateful kami kasi if not for their presence, hindi namin mararamdaman na we're playing for UP. And syempre yung support din ng parents nila, sobrang crucial yun for them to see na hindi lang kaming coaches yung nandun for them but also their parents. And syempre for the UPIS community na also for the pep squad, sobrang grateful kami sa pep squad na even if like whole day sila sa venue, pagod na sila kakasigaw, nandun sila pa rin cheering for us.
Papakita namin sa inyo na worth it ang support niya para sa amin.
Manood po kayo sa amin, suporta po kayo, and promise namin na hindi namin kayo bibiguin.